Happy December 8th, Monday, and lunchtime. It is a different lighting situation. It is suspiciously sunny at the moment, considering we're under a flood watch right now. It's been very warm, eerily warm, also very windy here. But I think we've been in the upper 50s, mid 50s. And that's odd for December. A little odd, at least that I remember. And I was just wondering the other day, it's like, it's been some time that since we've had winter weather at the holidays regularly. Like, it used to be quite a normal occurrence where we'd be bundling up quite a bit by now. And I mean, I'm wearing a turtleneck today, but I was able to go out the other day in just a sweater and be fine. I mean, by now, usually the pugs are like, we're going to poo and pee in the house. We're not going out there. So anyway, I just thought it was an interesting thing to notice. I'm sure that sun is going to leave any second now, just a passing cloud. Starbucks cup of the day is I think this is the infamous red cup that sparked all the controversy years ago. When like, it was too plain. It was like, put the, this thing back into Christmas that year. So I have a couple of those. And my husband loves it because my husband is an atheist, so he does not practice any religion. I'm a recovering Catholic. So I'm very much I'm very spiritual. I do not go to church anymore. So like I said, recovering Catholic. I do very much believe in the spirit of the season, all of the kind of things. However, I no longer practice actively going to church. Just, I won't even go into why, but it is no longer part of our regular life. We have gone to some non-denominational events and churches and things. We do not actively, I guess, belong to a religion, so to speak, but my upbringing, of course, plays very heavily into all of this and why I love Christmas and Vlogmas so much. So, side note, it's Manny Monday, so I thought I would get myself cleaned up while I'm chatting with you. There's very little left of the fallen flake taco, but even so, I've got to get myself prepared and remove the residuals and then pick out a new one. I'm just using my acetone to clean off the nails, shooting the breeze with you about stuff. Trying to think of what to update you on. It's just been a typical work day, so busy doing the grind, so to speak. So I'll probably finish this up off screen and then take you over to look at the colors, and then we'll decide what is going to go on, and then I'll probably do the process off camera because I doubt you'll really want to watch me apply 2 coats of nail polish. So you'll see the end result when I'm done. I think after I set up the video yesterday, or stopped filming the video, I actually did a last minute run to Trader Joe's before they closed and picked up the ingredients for Festive Friday. So we're going to do the cranberry jalapeno dip dupe. So that's up for Festive Friday. So just heads up of what's happening in the week. So let's see. So tomorrow will be Tray Tuesday, and then, so I had that wrong. Tray Tuesday tomorrow, and then for the fragrances. Then Wednesday, we're going to have the weekly wrap up of spending. And Thursday, what will we be doing on Thursday? We might have some more holiday lights, tree lighting. So we might do that tonight after work. I think that was the plan. So I'll just see what Stefan's up to. Otherwise, we might do that tomorrow after work. These are his 2 days off, so he will tell me what he's in the mood for. And if it's not raining and he's up for going to see those, we will go do that. If not, we'll do something else on Thursday. We'll just shoot the breeze. And then so Festive Friday, and I think that's it. So yeah, and we'll see where we are later in the week. I'll keep you posted. But anyway, I will so take you over there, pick out a color, and then we'll come back when it's all applied. Okay, so we're over here at the polish counter, which is an extension of the fragrance counter. I mean, let's just be real. We don't got that much stuff over here. So we've got we got lots of options. So I've got a whole collection that was part of the holidays, back here. So all of those Christmas glitters. We've got that Plum Luck back here. Got that gold one, got that green, got black back there, and then this ruby color here. And then we also have these two, which were a special edition. Let me grab them. That came out, I want to say, for a birthday collection, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so this was a limited edition in 2022. And yeah, Cristine's birthday polish for 2022. So this one's like a black red, and this one is called Favorite Sister, and it's a really, really bright frosted metal red. So depending on how insanely bright we want to get with this, I grab Cristine's. I mean, you can kind of see what Jen's looks like in the box, but Cristine's, you really have to see it out of the box to see how cool it is. And isn't that cool? I think I want to do Cristine's because I just like the dark black red. It just seems so much more fun and not as Christmassy, but still Christmassy, right? Like, this is like Christmas Day, but this is just like winter. So I'm thinking that, or we could do Plum Luck. There's Plum Luck. This one's called Naughty List. So as you can see, it's very different than the bright red. I still think I'm gonna go with Cristine's. So really quick final look there. This will need a this will need a coat of Glossy Taco. It's actually quite rough, I guess is the way to describe it. Why won't you focus? It dries down very sandy, I guess is the word to describe it, from the glitter. So I do really like the tones though on it, but it's definitely going to need some Glossy Taco. What time is it?
What time is it, buddy? Is it calendar time?
Is it time for advent calendars? Is it time for advent calendars? Make my way over.
Okay.
What's the report?
What's the report? Oh, on the tea? Well,
Your tea.
You tasted it too. It was,
Oh yeah, it was the mojito
the
one.
raspberry mojito. Yeah, you had a taste of that too.
I will report. I could drink that, and I'm not a tea person.
Because
but
it's not tea.
exactly.
It's a herbal tisane.
It would be
All
a very refreshing iced drink.
What's today's date? Actually,
It's Dia Ocho.
the 8th, right? Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. Thought I remembered it. Okay. This is organic cream of Earl Grey. It's a Thé Noir, if you'll pardon my French.
You like Earl Grey, isn't that one of your favorites?
Cream of Earl Grey. I like it. I don't like it as much as I used to, but I still like it. Cream of Earl Grey, though, that's something a little different. Okay, that doesn't smell like Earl Grey. That smells like kind of like wintergreen or something.
I'm not sure. It just got something extra in it.
Smells kind of wintergreeny to me, which is not something that Earl Grey should smell like. All right, well, I'll find out tomorrow morning.
Bear's like, but I'm here for other things.
I know, we know, buddy. We gotta work our way along the line, though. Your mom's candy comes next. There it is, number 8. And it's
We're patient.
It's milk chocolate. It's got what looks like some crunchy nuts or something on top.
It's thick.
Yeah, it's big.
All right.
All right.
Get my
Set that one aside.
teeth around that one.
All right. On to, this is a long drawer. It's got my initials on it.
It does.
SK2. Would that be my twin or something? My clone?
That's a brand. Is that just a mask?
Radiance and Moisture Boosting Mask. Yes. It's a mask.
Okay. Oh, Bear got impatient.
Our dogs all have masks too.
They do have masks. They're very cute little masks. It's time. It's time.
Okay. 8. There it is. There we go. It's a brown cookie. It's another ginger man.
It's a man. I'm excited for the man. We're sitting perfectly.
Okay, cool. That smells kind of gingery too. It almost smells like something we could eat.
Yeah, totally.
All right.
It almost smells chocolatey.
Which
Which would not be appropriate for these children.
No, it would not be good for the dogs.
You can always knock over the pillow.
About that.
Yeah, we need it to be pug size.
Pug size. This one's Boo Bear size.
Really, Poppy? Just spit it on out. Throw it on the floor. Okay.
They do tend to not be big fans of these cookies, but so let's move along to the one that they'll like.
Pickles is being a good pug.
Oh, she eating it? Good.
She took it. And now she saw Poppy's and she's like, well, I'll get that one too. See, Poppy thinks it's delicious. She's stealing it all.
That's what happens when you drop it. Well, okay.
Well,
You get some chicken though.
she's like, I'll just sit up here and wait for the chicken. I'll wait for the good stuff. Pickles thought it was delicious. So did Boo Bear.
Blip.
Boo Bear
Put
was
that
quite happy
stupid
with
tongue
it.
back in your mouth. There you go.
I think Boo Bear dropped his cookie.
Uh-oh, buddy.
It went down the crack.
What happened, buddy?
It's like, no, where'd my
You
cookie
made a mistake.
go? Yeah, it fell down the crack.
Wow, I
Down-
didn't fall down that far.
Down the ottoman.
There's a couple of antlers. Where did you drop it, buddy? Because I'm not finding it. Oh, there it is. Yeah. That's not. Oh, that is it. That's the head. Okay. Don't drop it again, okay? Okay, so Poppy already got a piece of the chicken.
Get your
Pickle.
chicken, Mama. You there.
Pickle pup.
Get your chicken.
There you go.
Gonna drop my
Piece
cookie.
for you. Okay, I'm gonna split this one between the two.
Oh, I wish Dolly was here.
Yeah. She was such a sweetie. She was just the sweetest, most loving thing. Here you go, buddy. There you go. All right. And now my treat with dog slobber all over my hands.
Sorry.
That's all right. What is it? It's a midnight swirl. Are these called swirls or swoops?
I think they're swirls.
Yeah, midnight. So I think this is a midnight swirl because it doesn't look like milk chocolate. All right. We'll come back to that in a minute.
Well, that's another advent calendar time. Eventful, as per usual.
Hey, would you keep it down? We're doing a video here.
The snorting over here. What the heck? Anyway, first day of the week. It's Monday. Tomorrow's Tray Tuesday. We'll be trying out a new fragrance and then swapping out the tray. What else? And then Wednesday will be unnecessary spending update. Things have arrived. And yeah, you know, the week will keep going. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Yep. See you then. Bye.
Counting down. So in this Christmas time.